I'm sick of walking this dog. It's like I live in a fog. Tonight I want something new. I feel the need to get rude. I'm tired of watching the tube. Oh God, I need some fast relief. So hey baby, please now won't you tell me you feel the same and you want someone to turn it all around and let you freak. Now it's on. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Get my dirty freak on tonight. My dirty freak on. A funny taste in my mouth. I wake up dead on the couch with the sun in my eyes. And so I go lay down on the floor, 'cause I can't take it no more. Seems like I've been here before. Oh God, I need some fast relief, like 3 stacks of pancakes and a day of TV, and I'm already ready to go and be gone. So come on, bring the heat on, let me know that it's on. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. I want you tonight, 'cause I wanna get my dirty freak on, alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go all the way. with you. Yeah, you. I've been missing it for so many of my days. Now you just my makeup believer. I don't make this. You look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright. Everything is alright with you. Under street lights, right next to the skyline. With you. Yeah, you. I've been missing it for so many of my days. Now you just my makeup believer. I don't make this. You look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright. Everything is alright. I've been working